Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to use a Chrome extension that enables you to record audio notes, and then you can use those to provide student feedback on a Google Doc, or if you're a teacher of a second language, you can create an audio-based discussion on, say, Blackbaud, or there's a workaround by using Google Docs. So you're going to go to your Chrome web store and you're going to search for Talk and Comment. Here's the extension right here. I've already added it to Chrome, and you can tell that by seeing their microphone in the upper right-hand corner. Now let's go to a doc that needs significant help. And here it is. I'm going to go to the middle of my screen over to the right, and I'm going to see that microphone again, and it pops up a little bit bigger. When I click this, it will start recording an audio note. This is a great start. A couple things you need to work on is you need your first and last name, the date, class, and title should be capitalized. It also needs to be Times New Roman, font, 12 point, and double spaced. You then hit the green check mark and it pops up as an audio note. It's already copied, and all you have to do is hit OK, hit add comment, paste that link in. I delete the parentheses that says voice note because I don't think you need that because we already know it's a voice note. You hit comment and it will take that link and turn it into a playable audio note that both you and the student can listen to. Now let's say you want to create an audio-based discussion in Blackbaud. You would go over, you would create your discussion, and then all students would need to do is add a new response, hit the three buttons here, hit this link, paste in the URL to their voice note, hit save, and hit post response. It will do the same thing that was done in Google Docs, and it will be a playable link. Now, if you don't have Blackbaud, the other workaround would be to create an audio discussion page in Google Docs. Make sure all your students are added, have the prompt. Please introduce yourself in your target language and respond to other students. And then they would come here and go, Bonjour, je m'appelle Karine, comment ça va? That would be their audio. They would hit comment. They would paste that in there. And then it's there for other students to listen to or to reply. Anyways, I hope that was really helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, and good luck and happy teaching.